We may have just got our first official look at Samsung's first tri-folding smartphone, but rumors about the next Galaxy Z Fold have started brewing already. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 has been a massive hit, and people are loving its ultra-slim and ultra-lightweight design. Samsung has claimed that the phone has broken pre-order records. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 lineup will feature 2 unique models, each designed to cater to specific user preferences and lifestyles. One of those Galaxy Z Fold 8 phones is said to feature a wider internal foldable screen with an aspect ratio of 18:18. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 could feature laser drilling metal plate technology. This innovative technique aims to eliminate the crease on the phone's foldable OLED display. Galaxy Z Fold 8 powered by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 is Qualcomm's next flagship chipset. Rear triple camera array likely retains the 200MP main sensor, paired with ultra-wide and telephoto lenses. The Z Fold 8 have at least a 5000 mAh battery. Likely includes S Pen support. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.